Hi there, and thanks for joining us. Today, we'll paint a groovy, colourful disco ball on a round canvas panel. So grab your brushes, crank up your favorite tunes, and let's get into it. First, let's paint that background. Pick your colors. And the beauty of this project is that you can pick any colors you want. If you want to go full blue, full purple, full pink disco ball, go for it. We picked phthalo blue, turquoise, Naples yellow, phthalo green, violet, magenta, and pink. So we're going all color. It turned out a little bit dark, so if you want a lighter background, make sure you go easy on that phthalo blue. Blend your colors with the abstract expression brush, keeping the edges darker and the center lighter for that glowing effect. When you're happy with your background, let it dry. When your background is fully dry, we can start sketching in the horizontal lines. We use the white charcoal pencil because it's very easy to wipe off and it doesn't leave the same sort of shiny lines as a graphite pencil does. Curve the ends of the horizontal lines to give it that round 3D look. Once you're happy, paint over the lines with a light color like a Naples yellow. When you're happy with your disco ball lines, we're gonna get into the fun bit. So grab a small, flat brush and start dabbing colors between the lines. Load your brush with a mix of shades to mimic those light reflections. Use darker colors like violet, phthalo blue, and phthalo green around the edges, and lighter shades in the middle. Keep your strokes small near the edges and go bigger towards the center. Angle them to follow the ball's curve. But remember, we're going for groovy, not perfect. Once your tiles are looking funky, we're strengthening the lines between the tiles with phthalo blue. If the lighter lines show through, that's cool, it adds more dimension. For the final bit of the painting stage, we're gonna use white paint for those bright reflections in the center and sprinkle a few around the ball as well. When your masterpiece is dry, pour gloss acrylic varnish straight onto the canvas. Spread it with a large flat tack-along brush or your abstract expression brush. Don't be shy with it, a generous layer gives that disco shine we're after. And there you go! Your very own disco ball painting is ready to boogie. We hope you had a blast with this project, and let us know in the comments below what you thought of it. Keep playing with colors and we'll catch you next time for more creative fun.